Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add an iframe in Wix Studio. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once inside the dashboard, select a site that is built on Wix Studio. Now, once inside the site editor, on the left panel, click on the plus sign button to add an element. Then, go to Quick Add section. Here, on the bottom, you will see an iframe option, so just go ahead and click on that. Now, you will have your iframe block, so to add one, just go and click on this enter code. And in here, you will now type in or paste your code. You can choose from a website address or a code. So just go ahead and add in your iframe. Once done, click on this update button to save your changes. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an iframe in Wix Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.